Unpacking Idioms. It's a mixed bag. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across in everyday conversations, movies, or even in books. The phrase is, "It's a mixed bag." If you're curious about what it means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unravel the mystery together. The phrase, "It's a mixed bag," is an idiom in English that describes a situation, group, or collection of items that is diverse in quality, content, or character. It means that the things you are talking about have both good and bad aspects, or they vary significantly. It's like reaching into a bag filled with different things without knowing if you'll pull out something you like or not. Imagine you went to a movie night and watched several films. If someone asks you how it was, and you say, "It was a mixed bag," you're indicating that some movies were good, and some were not, without specifying which ones. Interestingly, the phrase, "It's a mixed bag," has a quite literal origin. It dates back to times when people bought goods in bulk, and they would receive a bag containing a variety of items. Not all items in the bag would be desirable, leading to a mix of satisfaction and disappointment. Over time, this literal scenario transformed into a figurative expression used to describe any situation with mixed outcomes. Using "it's a mixed bag" in conversations is simple, but it's important to match the context. Here are some examples to help you understand its usage. Evaluating experiences. After trying a new restaurant, you might say, "The ambiance was nice, but the food was just okay." Overall, it's a mixed bag, describing products or services. When reviewing a product, you could mention, "It has some great features, but there are a few drawbacks." It's a mixed bag, assessing outcomes. In discussing the results of a project, the project had its ups and downs. It's a mixed bag in terms of success. To get comfortable with using "it's a mixed bag," try to incorporate it into your daily English practice. Whether you're speaking with friends, writing in your journal, or even thinking about your day, see if you can describe different situations as a mixed bag. This practice will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you think more critically about the nuances of your experiences. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "It's a mixed bag." We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more confident in understanding and using this idiom in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries, and every phrase you learn is a step towards fluency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language tips. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.